Hello, hello, Sarah of SCK Handmade here, and today I'm going to share with you another tiny Tunisian tip. Oh, what a tangled web we weave when we try to work in two colors. This is totally common, no matter what technique you're using, when you're using multiple colors, that they'll get all twisted like that. And I want to show you what I have found to be the quickest way to untangle your colors when working in two colors in Tunisian crochet. Since I am changing my colors on the left side here, I'm going to get both of my colors down to the left side. And I'm just going to pick up my work. This can be scary, I know. And I'm going to let it spin. Until they're all untangled. That can be a little terrifying. If it makes you feel better, you can scooch them all further down your hook. You can just take your two skeins or cakes of yarn and flip them back over each other in the reverse direction. I find that to be extremely tedious. When I'm working and I can just get to the end, lift my project up, give it a gentle tug, and let it unwind itself, it goes so much faster. I hope you find this helpful. I hope you enjoyed that tiny Tunisian tip. It is always my goal to help you grow confidently in your craft. I would love it if you would check out the description for other related links, including the link to my tiny Tunisian tip playlist so you can check them all out. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. That way YouTube will notify you when I post more tips. Thank you so much for joining me today, and happy Tunisian crocheting!